Hi there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the G sound. So are you ready? Let's get started. The G sound always occurs at the beginning of the word and it can be spelled by the letter G, like in the word ga, or a combination of the letter G and the letter H, like in the word ghế. Now let's see how to pronounce the G sound. The G sound is a back consonant, so the back of your tongue presses up against the soft palate to stop the airflow. Then you have to lower the tongue to release it. Now let's talk about the mouth movement. Open your mouth slightly. Keep your lips relaxed. The last thing you have to remember about the G sound, that it is a voice sound. You need to add the voice by vibrating your vocal cords, like G, 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 ga, ghế. I want to talk a bit more about the letter G and the G combination. They are exactly the same in pronunciation, but different in orthography. In Vietnamese, we have vowels like a, o, u, i, e. And the letter G is followed by vowels like a, o, u. We have some words here: gà, gắn, gân, gọn, gỗ, gỡ, gương. So it's gonna be wrong if you write out the other vowels like i, e, following by the letter G, like ghim, ghế, ghẽ. It's gonna be a mistake. On the other side, the combination G, H is followed by vowels I, E, and we have some words here like ghim, ghẻ, ghế, etc. If you write the vowels a, o, u, following the G, H combination, it's going to be a mistake like gà, gắn, gân. Let's practice saying the G sound in word. I'm gonna say the word first, then you'll have a few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce the word. The first word is ga, ga, gai, gãi, gỗ, gỡ, gáo, gấm, gân, gần, guốc, gương, ghi, ghim, ghế, ghé, ghẻ, gọn gàng, gậy gộc, gập ghềnh, gồ ghề, gân guốc, ghế gỗ, gần gũi, gầy gò. Now let's try to say a sentence with many of the G sound. We're gonna do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I wanna say the sentence very slowly. Then I'm gonna do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I wanna say the sentence with normal speed. Gấm, gập, ghế, gọn gàng. Now a little bit faster. gấm, gập ghế, gọn gàng. Now with normal speed. Gấm gập ghế gọn gàng. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.